Alright, hey guys, what's up? This is Airhorn pranks. I'm gonna be getting Brandon and some of my friends with one of these, so let's just see how this turns out. I almost guarantee you I'm gonna piss him off, and he's just gonna try and get me back, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Go. Alright, so he's in front of the house right now, plugging in the Christmas lights, so I'm gonna get him. Alright, here we go. Having fun? What lights are you plugging in? The ones out those?
Yeah, a little frosty.
Never gets old.
Are you recording me?
I'm not recording. This is for him, Katie.
What are you doing?
Just looking at the channel. Holy crap! Dude! What's your problem? Shut up! Just come here! So I just learned something really cool.
Is it on the freaking keyboard?
Okay guys, it's Brandon here and I'm gonna go for 2 for 2 on Banyan. Puka, what do you say about that, huh? Yeah, I said, wanna go? Let's go. Alright, we're gonna get there.